Gold IRA for Beginners, your simple 10-step guide to safe retirement savings. Building a secure retirement starts with clear, smart decisions. A Gold IRA for Beginners is one of the easiest ways to protect your savings from inflation, market swings, and economic uncertainty. Instead of relying only on paper assets, you add real, physical gold to strengthen your financial future. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Follow these 10 simple steps to get started. 1. Learn what a Gold IRA is. A Gold IRA lets you invest in IRS-approved physical gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. Your metals are stored in a secure, IRS-approved depository. 2. Know why gold matters. Gold often rises when markets fall. It helps protect your money, diversify your portfolio, and maintain purchasing power. 3. Understand the rules. In 2025, you can contribute up to $7,000 per year, $8,000 if over 50. Only approved coins and bars qualify. 4. Choose traditional or Roth. Traditional gives tax-deductible contributions. Roth offers tax-free withdrawals later. Pick the one that fits your future tax needs. 5. Find a trusted custodian. Your Gold IRA must be managed by an IRS-approved custodian with clear fees, good reviews, and insured storage. 6. Fund your account. You can contribute directly, roll over money from a 401k, or transfer another IRA without penalties. 7. Pick approved gold products. Choose IRS-approved items like American Gold Eagles, Canadian Maple Leafs, or bars from trusted refiners. 8. Store your gold safely. Your metals stay in an approved depository like Brinks or Delaware Depository. Choose segregated or commingled storage. 9. Review your portfolio. Check your Gold IRA regularly. Many experts recommend keeping 5% to 15% of your retirement savings in precious metals. 10. Plan your withdrawals. At age 73, traditional IRAs require minimum distributions. Roth IRAs do not. You can take cash or physical gold. Starting a Gold IRA doesn't need to be complicated. With these simple steps, you can protect your savings, reduce risk, and build long-term stability. In uncertain times, adding gold to your retirement plan is one of the smartest ways to safeguard your future. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.